BMW owners, if you're encountering fault code 2FBF, the engine computer has detected fuel pressure that is too low when releasing injection. Keep watching, because the high pressure pump is not the only possible cause. BMW describes this as fuel pressure on release of injection, pressure too low. In practical terms, the DME requested fuel delivery, but the direct injection rail did not achieve the pressure it expected. So 2FBF is most familiar on turbocharged direct injection BMWs using the N54 engine, including the E82 135i, E9X 335i, and E60 535i. Some early N55 applications may also store it. Typical symptoms include a long crank before starting, hesitation under acceleration, reduced power, rough running, or the BMW half-engine warning. The engine may start normally when cold but struggle after a warm restart. You may also see companion BMW DME faults such as 29F2 for high-pressure fuel system operation, 2AAF for fuel pump plausibility, or 29DC if injection is shut down to protect the engine. Is it serious? Potentially. If the BMW is stalling, misfiring heavily, smelling of fuel, or barely accelerating, stop driving and arrange recovery. Unstable fuel pressure can leave you stranded without warning. If it starts cleanly, idles smoothly, and has no fuel smell, a short, gentle trip to a BMW specialist may be reasonable. Avoid boost, high engine load, and unnecessary driving until it is diagnosed. Start with the cheap possibilities: very low fuel level, weak battery voltage during cranking, a loose electrical connector, damaged wiring, or corrosion around the BMW fuel pressure sensors and pump connections. Next is inadequate low pressure supply from the in-tank BMW fuel pump, its electronic control module, or the filter and regulator arrangement. If the high pressure pump is starved, it cannot build rail pressure correctly. The best known cause on an N54 powered BMW is a worn high pressure fuel pump, or HPFP. Internal wear can cause long cranking and pressure drop, particularly during warm starts or hard acceleration. Less commonly, the BMW rail pressure sensor can report incorrectly, or its wiring can intermittently fail. A sensor should not be replaced solely because 2FBF mentions pressure. Live data must support the diagnosis. The rare, expensive possibilities include a leaking direct injector, contaminated fuel, or a mechanical fuel system fault. An injector leaking into a cylinder may also cause rough starts, fuel odor, or a fuel wet spark plug. To check it yourself, use a BMW-capable OBD scanner because a basic generic reader may not properly decode internal hexadecimal code 2FBF. Save the DME freeze frame information before clearing anything. With the engine cold, inspect the BMW engine bay and rear fuel pump area for damaged plugs, wiring, or fuel odor. Do not loosen direct injection pipes. The high-pressure system can cause serious injury. Next, graph BMW low-pressure supply and high-pressure rail data while cranking, idling, and during a careful load test. Compare requested pressure with actual pressure using specifications for that exact BMW engine and software. If low-pressure supply drops first, diagnose the BMW in-tank pump, control module, and filter regulator system. If supply remains stable but rail pressure falls behind its target, the HPFP becomes much more likely. Basic BMW wiring or connector repairs might cost about 50 to 250 euros or dollars. Low pressure pump related work often lands around 250 to 800, while sensor repairs commonly range from 150 to 600. A BMW HPFP can cost roughly 400 to 900 euros or dollars as a DIY part, or around 900 to 1,800 installed. Injector repairs can exceed 500 per cylinder once fitting and BMW coating are included. Prices vary by BMW model and region, so confirm pressure data before buying parts, then check whether any model-specific warranty coverage applies. The description has the tools and parts mentioned. Subscribe for your BMW's other codes.